Good morning, children. Today we will continue with chapter 12. We have finished with all the 5 types of forests which you find in India. Now today we will start with conservation of forests, which is given on page number 87 of chapter 12. First of all, this word conservation. What do you mean by the word conservation? Conservation means how you preserve, how you protect the trees. Okay, conservation of trees means what are the ways, what you should do so that you can preserve, you can protect your trees. So we will start with this heading, conservation of forests. Natural vegetation and forest cover has been destroyed to a large extent by human activities and widespread cutting of trees. That means people have been responsible for destroying the forest. They are cutting down the trees for their own personal reasons. The roads are getting constructed, the trees, they cut it down. You need a large area for the people to stay. People cut down the trees, they clear the area and they construct houses. So human beings to a very large extent are responsible for destroying the forest cover. Therefore, there is an increasing need for conserving and saving trees. In order to prevent our environment from getting deteriorated, we need to have a big amount of trees cover, a large amount of trees cover, because the trees will save our environment from getting polluted, and there are many reasons that we should plant trees. We have done about the soil erosion. Soil erosion does not take place if we have the trees in a large number, because the roots, they hold the soil together. So there are many reasons that why we should keep on planting the trees, and in this context you should know 2 words. One is afforestation and the other one is deforestation. Afforestation, when we talk about it, it means that when you plant a tree, when you plant trees, that is afforestation, and deforestation is cutting down of trees. When you cut down the trees, that is called as deforestation. When you plant the trees, that is called as afforestation. So deforestation is taking place because human beings are cutting down the trees for their own personal reasons, and there are many more reasons that why the forest covers are getting destroyed. So we should, if we are cutting down one tree, instead we should plant two more trees. Okay, that should be the way that we should protect our environment, by planting more trees. Okay, so let's see. Therefore, there is an increasing need for conserving and saving trees. In the past, the Chipko movement has been functional in preventing deforestation in the forest region of Uttarakhand. That means this is a very, very famous movement which you call as a Chipko movement, that was started to prevent the trees. Okay, and this movement was started in Uttarakhand. And why they started this movement? Because they wanted the trees to be prevented from cutting down, and that is why they are using the word deforestation. That means they were cutting down the trees. So a movement called Chipko movement was started so that they can save the trees from cutting down, and this movement started in Uttarakhand, and this movement started just to protect the trees, to save the trees, to have the trees conserved in the natural environment. The modern Chipko movement, led by Sundar Lal Bahuguna, Chandi Prakash Prasad Bhatt and Gauri Devi, encouraged people to hug trees in an attempt to prevent their cutting. That means you simply go and you hug a tree, showing a gesture that you love the trees. When you love somebody, you hug that person. Gale lagate hai na? So that is the same way you have to do with the trees. You have to go and hug the tree. Gale lagana hai tree ko. What does it show? That you are loving the trees. You are going to save the trees from cutting down. It is just a small gesture to show that we all love trees if you go and hug the trees. And during the Raksha Bandhan time also, if you have seen in Lucknow Zoo, people make a big rakhi and they go and tie the rakhi around the tree trunk. And what does it show? It is just a gesture that we are going to save you, we are going to protect you. Why do you tie rakhi? It is just a bond to show that the brothers are going to protect the sisters. Okay. Same way, they go and they tie the Rakhi around the trunk of the tree, telling the tree that I am going to save you, so you don't need to get worried about it. This takes place in Lucknow Zoo. If you ever get to read or you go and you find out, you will see that during the Raksha Bandhan time, they tie a Rakhi around the trunk of the tree. Okay, it is just a gesture to show that we all love you, we are going to protect you. Okay. Another initiative taken to spread the idea of afforestation is the celebration of Van Mahotsav festival. Afforestation means again planting of more trees. So in order to encourage people to plant more trees, a festival called as Van Mahotsav is celebrated every year. Okay, so this Van Mahotsav makes the people, gives them an initiative to go and plant more trees so that they can understand the importance of planting trees, because trees are the only savior for the human beings on this environment. Thousands of people take part in this festival that aims at planting more trees. So simply, Chipko movement to save the trees and Van Mahotsav to encourage people to plant more trees so that they understand that trees play a very, very vital role in the environment. So this is the way that we can conserve our forest. Just simple ways: plant more trees and save the trees. That is the message which this conservation of forest heading is giving to you all. Okay.